Hey, I'm David. I'm the founder of Enduristan, and today I would like to show you one of the core ideas behind our luggage system, the Enduristan Standard Interface. It's something we use across many of our products and which allows you to build the perfect setup for your bike and your trip. So let's start with the basic idea. Here you see a Cyclone 55. The Enduristan Standard Interface here on top of the flap allows you to attach accessories exactly where you need them and the way you need them. So you're not locked in one special setup, so the setup adapts to your needs, whether it's a short trip or a long trip, on-road, off-road, whatever you need, whatever your bike needs, you can make it happen. At the moment, our accessories include sidekicks from 1 to 20 liters or bottle holsters for 1 or 2 bottles for water, fuel or engine oil. The Enduristan Standard Interface comes in different sizes. Here, for example, we got a 3x4 interface. 3x4 means it's 3 units wide and 4 units high. But the interface works in both directions, so you can attach the accessories either horizontally or vertically, it doesn't matter. On every accessory, the required interface size is printed on the packaging. So the rule is very simple. The interface on the luggage needs to be the same size or larger than the required interface size of the accessory. Here we got a Blizzard 225 on a KTM 690 to show you how this system looks in real life. On this side, we have used the 2x3 interface for a double bottle holster, while on the other side we have installed a Sidekick 4. On the top centerpiece you see a Sidekick 10, while the interface is on the flap and on the front of the Blizzards are still free. So different accessories all using the same Enduristan Standard Interface. Different accessories, different positions, one system. Here we got another example of a set of Monsoon Evo 2 panniers on a 1200 GS. On the right hand side we use the 1x4 interface, or I should say one of the 1x4 interfaces because there are 3 of them, to attach a single bottle holster. On this side we use the 2x4 interface on top to attach a Sidekick 5, while on the rear we use the same size interface to attach a Sidekick 3 and a Sidekick 1 above each other, oriented horizontally. So as you can see, you can attach the accessories either horizontally or vertically. This flexibility is exactly what Enduristan Standard Interface is about. We believe the Enduristan Standard Interface is a true game changer, and for this reason we have patented it. It is designed to give you as much freedom as possible when setting up your luggage system. The combinations are almost endless and there is a solution for every bike, for every rider, for every trip. If you have any questions, please talk to your local Enduristan partner. He will help you to find the perfect solution for you. Now, I'm curious, if you're missing an accessory, something you believe would fit great the Enduristan Standard Interface, please write it down in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you on the track.